Hello guys, today I will show you how to create YouTube custom channel art for free online with Canva. Nowadays everyone want to make a professional channel art for their YouTube channel. They cannot make for themselves because channel art need Photoshop to create channel art, but today I will show you how to create channel art free online. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
To the summer of love.
Go to Google and search for YouTube channel art canvas. Link in the description. Click on Start Creating YouTube Channel Art. And you can choose any template and customize it like this to make a professional channel art. and click on download to download it in high quality. Thanks for watching. Comment down below if you want to a video I make for you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.